From the DocuSign App Center, you can discover and install extension apps to extend DocuSign feature capabilities. Extension apps allow you to connect DocuSign features with external tools such as Microsoft and Google applications, Salesforce, SAP, and more. For example, with DocuSign Workflow Builder apps, you can integrate workflow data with your CRM solution. You can also automatically archive files in another system and trigger additional workflows in an external platform. With DocuSign eSignature extension apps, you can automatically verify signer data, such as phone numbers, addresses, and bank account information against an external database. With Agreement Actions extension apps, you can archive completed agreements and export agreement data to a spreadsheet in a cloud storage solution. With DocuSign Agreement Manager extension apps, you can upload agreements to Agreement Manager from a cloud storage solution. Finally, with DocuSign CLM extension apps, you can view, edit, and collaborate on CLM agreements in Google Docs and automate end-to-end processes with CLM workflows and external tools such as Coupa and Workday. To access the DocuSign App Center, navigate to apps.docusign.com. Then select an app and click Install App. Click the Manage Apps tab to view and manage all the apps installed on your account. From DocuSign Workflow Builder, you can access the App Center directly when creating or editing a workflow by clicking App Center. When uploading documents to DocuSign Agreement Manager, you can view the available apps directly from Agreement Manager. Select the desired app to install it via the App Center. Explore the DocuSign App Center today to customize and extend your agreement processes.